Ooh. Remember I said I was gonna show you guys these mystery Nike SB dunks? There's the Civilist dunks, the ones that change color. So I made a video. Brisk. Hey, how you doing? Good? That's cool. Glad to hear it. Welcome to the channel. I'm SB Mitch. Here's some info. If you want to do any of that stuff, feel free. If you don't, cool. Hey, pals. So if you saw the last haul video, what, Monday? Yeah, it was on Monday. I teased a pair of Nike Dunk SBs that I got because I got the unions. Because why would I keep unions? Because I have eyeballs that see things. So no point in that. And here they are. Comes in the wonderful Nike SB rainbow box or stripe box. I don't know what it's called. This is a collaboration with skate shop, clothing store, whatever you want to call it, Civilist Berlin, on a Nike Dunk Low Pro, and you'll notice that it is very dark right now. It changes color. It's called the thermal map or something like that. Maybe I should have done that first. Civilist Berlin is a shop in Berlin, Germany. Geography. They've actually collaborated with Civilist before on a Dunk High that came out in 2013, right in the middle of like the worst era of SB ever. But the shoe itself was actually really cool. It had a quilted ankle collar, and there was the tongue was very reminiscent of the, I'm not going to say the German word for it because I'm going to butcher it, but the New National Gallery in Berlin. So the tongue is actually really cool. There's probably pictures on your screen or something. I don't really know. When I saw pictures of this, I was like, okay, those are completely different. I don't know what the story behind them is. I mean, it's as simple as it gets. It's a black upper with a white midsole and a black outsole. The secondary laces it comes with are actually really, really cool. There's like a blue reef, a bright yellow, and a red one. The tongue features a Nike SB branding that has like kind of like a pixelated looking swoosh, which I think is really cool. And there's also Civilist branding on the swoosh on the side. Now, the big thing about these, hold on. Yeah, that probably didn't sync up really well, but whatever. This is what they look like when they're activated. Now, when the pictures first leaked onto the internet, like, I thought this was what the shoe looked like. And I was like, okay, those are pretty cool. So let's take a closer look at the Civilist Berlin Nike SB Dunk Low Pro. QUICKSTRIKE? I don't remember. the color changing is pretty drastic, and it actually stays activated for quite a long time, which is kind of a nice touch. You definitely need to go up a half size on these. Usually I have to go up a half size on Dunk Low Pro SBs anyway, but these have a thicker upper because it is synthetic leather, and there's the color changing aspect to it. So, I mean, it's a cool thing that we don't see on many sneakers, especially Nike SBs. Now, from what I understand, if you wear them a lot, you start to see creasing along the toe box and wherever, you know, creasing occurs. I guess once it happens, you know when you like bend a piece of plastic and it turns white right at the crease? I guess that's what happens with these. If that's something that bothers you, then it's definitely not worth looking into, but it's still a really cool shoe. I know I'm super late on these, but I didn't feel like paying far too much in resale just to get an extra 1,000 viewers before these shoes came out. So very cool. If you want to check them out, definitely go up a half size. The Civilist Nike SB Dunk Low Pro SB Quick Strike, whatever thing. I just totally botched it, whatever. Hey, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I didn't plan for this video at all, and it kind of shows, but there is a beater box video tomorrow. I want to let you guys know if you watch the beater box videos. If you don't watch the beater box videos, then you'll just be like, what's going on here? I opened the beater box tomorrow like a really long time ago. So what I'm gonna start doing is announcing what day it is when I open beater boxes, because I never open the beater boxes the same day as the video comes out, because number one, I'm trying to think of a reason. Video editing takes a little bit of time, so I want to give myself some time. But there is a beater box video tomorrow. It's from Soul Supremacy, and it's very good. So come back tomorrow if you really want to see that. If you don't, that's cool too. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I appreciate it. If you're into the, look at this. These things are still activated. This is super cool. Doesn't really make much sense if you live in a place like Chicago where the sun is out maybe 3 times a year. But hey, cool shoe. Hey, cool viewer. Take care of each other. Remember to make it fun, because sneakers are supposed to be fun. Bye.